Make a great choice today with the 2017 2500. Ram 2500 is the hardest working truck in tow business. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, remote engine start, power sunroof, air conditioning, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.